Hi pages, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I am Joanna. Today I will be showing you a simple way to get your hair together if you are getting frustrated about what to do to your hair in this COVID-19 season. I started off with a stretched hair and I like to use the African braiding method to stretch my hair instead of applying direct heat to my hair. This video is not a tutorial per se, but a guide to inspire your creative self of the little things you can do to your hair to make a big difference. I went ahead to do 3 separate flat twists on both sides of my hair, but feel free to do whatever you're comfortable with. You have the option to do a bantu knot or braid your sides down or just anything. It's all about creativity. Oh, I used gel to help me grab the front areas of my hair because they are quite short. Enjoy the video. I will be back shortly. Of course, comb through your hair to make sure that it's free from tangles. And I'm going to roll and pin this section of my hair, which is going to form the base of the style. I then went ahead to take reasonable sections, twisted them loosely, placed and pinned them where it will naturally fall, until all my hair was done. Try to have fun with this, explore and experiment how you can put your own spin on it. You go, girl. So look, I accessorized the hair using the flat twist, and this is what I mean by putting your own spin on it, which I know you can. Give it a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments section below. On a more serious note, guys, it appears we have a little more time than usual because there's not much going on, and I think this is a great opportunity to do something new. Take a course, look into that business opportunity again, practice that dance, or attempt to do the things you've always wanted to do but have put them away because of time. Of course, you can't travel, but you can watch my videos for hair and DIY inspiration. It's good for your mental health. What do you think? There you have it, guys. A simple and cute hairstyle that can brighten your day. If you enjoyed this video, please help me tell YouTube that you liked it. Don't forget to also comment and share with your friends and loved ones. Don't keep this as a secret. Hey, stay safe because I want you to be alive and well. Don't forget to come back for more amazing videos. Activate the notification bell to be notified when I upload this weekend. I love you all. See you soon and stay blessed. Take care. Bye.